Understanding Conveyor Belt Lacing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrases, conveyor belt lacing. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down into simple parts, making it easy to understand. So, whether you're curious about how things are made or looking to expand your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before diving into conveyor belt lacing, it's essential to understand what a conveyor belt is. A conveyor belt is a continuous loop of material that moves items from one place to another. You might have seen them at airports, where they move luggage, or in supermarkets at the checkout counters. They're also widely used in manufacturing and mining to transport materials or products. Now, let's talk about lacing. In general English, lacing can mean adding strings to shoes or tying things together. However, in the context of conveyor belts, lacing has a specific meaning. It refers to the process or method used to join the ends of a conveyor belt together. This is crucial because it allows the belt to form a continuous loop that can move around the conveyor system. Putting it all together, conveyor belt lacing involves various techniques and materials to securely join the ends of a conveyor belt. This can include metal staples, plastic spirals, hinges, or even welding in some cases. The choice of lacing method depends on factors like the type of material being transported, the speed of the conveyor, and the environment in which it operates. Conveyor belt lacing is not just a technical detail, it's vital for the smooth operation of the conveyor system. Proper lacing ensures that the belt is strong enough to carry loads without breaking and flexible enough to move around pulleys and through the conveyor system. It affects the lifespan of the belt, the efficiency of the conveyor, and the safety of the operation. And there you have it, a simple guide to understanding conveyor belt lacing. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating topic and has added some new terms to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but understanding the context in which they're used. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep moving forward.